Now being loaded. Set. Racing just is started. Charm away, break quickly restart. Rushing about the outside, always lasting Rose. You are the one. Comes next, then followed now by Santa Fe. Rising Force comes next all the time. Divine the Grace, nobody but you and Doña Venancia is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. Lasting Rose by about 2 lengths. You are the one in second. Charm away is racing into head. In fourth comes Santa Fe. Divine the Grace all the time. Rising Force, Doña Venancia, and nobody but you. Now racing in less. Back to the leader of the Lasting Rose, enjoying a 2 lengths lead. You are the one. Santa Fe moving up down on the inside. Charm away comes next all the time. Divine the Grace, Doña Venancia comes next. Nobody but you, while Rising Force now racing in less, and Diana entering the home stretch. Lasting Rose, you are the one. Santa Fe moving up down on the inside to take the lead as they swing for home. The lead now belongs to Santa Fe. You are the one. Lasting Rose in between horses. Last 100 meters we have Santa Fe by about 3 lengths. Other Lasting Rose, you are the one. Doña Venancia, and finally it's Santa Fe. Doña Venancia, then comes Lasting Rose, you are the one.
Alright, number 1, Santa Fe, crossing the wall first. Ridden by Jigger Paano. Ganda pagkakadala ni Jigger dun, ha? Masisigunod din, 4, si Doña Venancia.